Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about beautiful and trendy women crochet headband designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, most trendy, beautiful women headband designs. Stylish colors, light and dark colors you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful headband designs in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Easy patterns, intricate patterns, beautiful and trendy women crochet headband designs. You can easily make these very beautiful headbands if you know crochet work. Beautiful flower patterns, knitted patterns you can see in this my video. Friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful headbands, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Upcoming fashion ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet headband designs. Latest fashion ideas for stylish ladies. Washable headband designs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.